in order to save me, in order to save the day. What kind of love would place us there in harm's way? When I was down, yes, you lifted me. And when I was bound, yes, you set me free. Things that you do makes it clear to see it's all a master plan. Whoa. No greater love that I come to know. And when I refuse, yes, you love me so. Things that you do makes it clear to see you're all for me in order to save me, in order to save the day. What kind of love will place us in harm's way? It truly is beyond me. Whoa. I'm left without a word to say. What kind of love would place itself in harm's way? Yes, it will. Be beyond, left without a word to say.